It is being referred to as the biggest game in this stadium in a long, long time. The 8-4 Jacksonville Jaguars play host to the 8-4 Seattle Seahawks on a cool but beautiful afternoon here at Everbank Field.
Let's go, boy. Let's go get it. You know what you got to do.
We're playing for a legacy today. We're playing for a legacy today. That's what we're creeping into.
This is an opportunity against one of the teams in this league, the Seattle Seahawks, who's been at the top for a long time now, to make a statement that you belong.
Read and trust your keys. And then we run and hit and run and hit and run and hit and run and hit. Remember, we're the best linebackers in the league. These boys got to see us today. They in for the worst 60 minutes of the season. They in our house. They got to play to our standard.
We back at the bank. Week 14. Another day, another dollar. Another business day, man. You got to go out here and do work. Jags all day, baby.
Hammer them out. Hey, under the belt. 12 pressure, baby.
Handoff to Ivory running to the right side. Got it out past the 35. Spun away from the defenders into the open field. Chris Ivory is into Seattle territory. What a terrific run. Spun away from a defender and got it all the way down to the 45-yard line of the Seahawks. 38-yarder from right in the middle of the field. Lambo kicks it up. And the kick is good. Josh Lambo is 14 out of 15. And Jacksonville strikes first.
Hey, really nice job, guys. Hey, playing good football, good tackling. Hey, let's keep it up, all right?
Play fake. Wilson drops the throw. Looking. Fires it deep downfield. Good coverage in the secondary, and the ball is intercepted. The ball is picked off in the back of the end zone by Jalen Ramsey. It's a good half for Jacksonville. Jags lead it. You knew it would be a defensive affair here. Jacksonville 3, Seattle nothing. Second and 20 here. Shotgun. He drops the throw. Wilson looks. He's rushed out of there again. Scrambles to his right. Pump fake. Now throws well downfield. He's got a man. That ball's intercepted. A.J. Boye made up ground and picked it off.
What a great play by Boye, though, Jeff.
It's too easy. It's too easy. Hey, what you gonna do when you got two all-pro corners and you got one that's about to get paid? Come on, man.
37, inside handoff to Fournette. Leonard breaks the tackle. Leonard Fournette in the open field. 35, dives forward. Actually fell down inside the 35, and that should be first down yardage.
It's a nice play by Fournette.
Down to the 32-yard line of Seattle. Under center is Bortles. Play fake. Blake steps up. Fires cross field. That ball's caught. First down to the 20-yard line. Going up and getting it is Marquise Lee. That's that crossing route again. First down inside the 20-yard line for Jacksonville. Dropping is Blake. Fires to the right corner of the end zone. Got a man out there. Caught. Touchdown. In the right corner in the end zone. Touchdown Jacksonville. D.D. Westbrook scores for the Jaguars.
Hey, 12 is nice. 5 is nice. Tired of people disrespecting 5. Give me the promo.
Play fake, they blitz. Wilson's got a lot of time. Fires it deep downfield. Double coverage down there. But a diving catch is made by Baldwin. It's a 28-yard attempt by Blair Wall. She kicks it up. And the field goal is good. And Seattle finally gets on the board. He's fielded at the 1-yard line by Corey Grant. He's to the 15. The ball comes out. The ball is fumbled by Corey Grant. Both teams diving for it.
I think Seattle got it, Frank. They were in the vicinity. They had more players there, and it looked like one of them landed on it.
Play fake. He drops the throw. Fires toward the middle of the field. That ball is caught for the touchdown by Doug Baldwin.
Let's go. Let's go. Hey, well, we can control now. Let's go.
Here's the important thing. Okay, this Jaguars offense has done a good job this year responding to the opponent's points scored, and they need to do just that.
Play fake. Bortles drops, steps up, Fires deep down the middle of the field. He's got a receiver out there. Keelan Cole with the catch. Inside the 30, the 20, the 15, inside the 5. Keelan Cole, touchdown. How's that for an answer? 75-yard touchdown pass from Blake Bortles to Keelan Cole.
Was that ball not thrown on the money by Blake Bortles? Holy cow, and Keelan Cole.
That's touchdown. That's touchdown. Let's go. Let's go. Am I right?
Wilson drops to throw, looking to his left, pump fakes now, scrambles around, still scrambling. He's going to get hit in the backfield. He is going to get sacked. Now there's a flag. There's a flag. He is sacked back at the 30-yard line. Let's see what the flag is.
It's holding this time.
This one's going against Seattle, so that sack is going to stand up.
Hey, they finally called one for you, boy.
Jadon Mickens comes up and then gets away. Now fields it on the bounce. He's to the 30-yard line. Straight up the field is Jadon. To the 45. Into Seahawks territory. The 40. 35, 30. Jadon Mickens inside the 20. Mickens still on his feet inside the 5. He is going to get tackled just shy of the goal line. How good has this guy been? Jadon Mickens is taking it back to the 1-yard line. The give to Fournette running to the left side. Leonard Fournette into the end zone, touchdown. That was easy. A 1-yard touchdown run by Leonard Fournette to extend the lead. And in 17 from the 43-yard line, their own 43. Dropping is Wilson again. Looking, lots of time. Fires it deep downfield. He's got Baldwin out there, but it's going to be picked off by A.J. Boye. A.J. picked it off. He was covering Baldwin. And A.J. Boye, another pick for that Jags terrific secondary at the 5-yard line.
The third interception of the game, and Russell Wilson just throws it up for grabs.
Come on, man, that's 2. I see you, boy. I ain't gonna lie, bro. We might have 2 all-pro corners. And that's being modest, you feel me? Hey, everyone in the league, all-pro. Let me clean you all-pro, 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 all-pro.
To give to Fournette running to the right side. He's got some room. To the 10-yard line, to the 15. That's a first down. Leonard Fournette exploded out of there, had a big hole, and got it to the 16-yard line for a first down. A 51-yard attempt. Brad gets it down. Lambeau kicks it up. Plenty of distance. And the kick is good. Josh Lambeau from 51 yards away extends the lead. Wilson drops to throw. Steps up. Still on his feet. Fires deep downfield. Got a man wide open. That ball is going to be caught. He got away from a defender, and it's going to be a quick touchdown. And the Seahawks strike quickly. 3rd down and 3 here. Bortles drops to throw. Fires along the right sideline. Good coverage down there. But a diving attempt and a great catch is made. What a catch that time on the right sideline by D.D. Westbrook.
Blake Bortles puts that ball on the money.
A 32-yarder from the left hash. Brad gets it down. Lambeau kicks it up. And the kick is good. Lambeau is money again. Play. Wilson fires deep down the sideline. He's got a man wide open. Lockett is behind the defense. He's going to score inside the 5 touchdown. And Seattle has scored again with 3:42 to play in the game.
We're the best defense in the 4th quarter. We are the best defense in the 4th quarter.
Wilson looking. Flag comes in. He's going to get sacked.
A big sack there by Malik Jackson, and it counts.
So they're going to go for it 4th and 9 from their own 43-yard line.
4th and game.
He drops the throw. The Jags blitz him. They're all coming. He throws it along the left sideline. That ball is incomplete. And the Jags are going to take over on down.
You gotta run the ball, man. Ice these people.
You got to run the ball here.
1:55 to play in the game. They give it to Leonard Fournette on the left side. Leonard breaks out of there. Inside of 35. He's going to have a first down. And that ought to do it. Leonard Fournette on an off-tackle play. Exploded out of there to the 32-yard line. First down, Jacksonville. What a gigantic run by Leonard Fournette to put this thing on ice. Taking a knee, the ball game is over, and Jacksonville is in sole possession of first place in the AFC South.
That's what I'm talking about, boy. Yeah. We ain't done yet. We ain't done yet.
First win of the fourth quarter. Way to start the fourth quarter. All right, we got a division opponent next week. We got to get ourselves ready.
Hey, let's go win on three. Win on three. 1, 2, 3.